actually really love Christmas and snow, but I really hate how windy and gloomy it gets during the winter time. I also feel like I end up falling into seasonal depression like basically every single year. So my goal was to start waking up earlier and try new hobbies and stuff that can keep me occupied. So I guess we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to focus on making like a good daily morning routine, like making myself stretch, making sure I eat breakfast, going outside with Max for a little bit even though it's like 2 degrees. But I'm hoping that making myself stick to a routine the whole entire winter and maybe even like through the rest of the year will be helpful for my mental health.
Kana beats.
It looks very resting. Honestly, as I'm chewing, I'm not sure if I can cook this all the way. I just did my makeup really quickly and changed. I wanted to stop by TJ Maxx because I saw these cute little lip balm keychains. It looked like such a cute idea and I really need stocking stuffers. There's nothing there. Oh, I didn't find lip balm, so my mom likes to wear matching pants everywhere. So I'm thinking about grabbing these because I found them in all of our sizes. So there actually weren't that many options for lip balms when I went, so I just got this one because I really like the designs of the bottles. But these are basically going to be like my test run, I guess, just to make sure that I actually like it before I buy like a big pack. And then I got these from Amazon. These are the little keychain lobster claws. I also ended up changing back into my PJ pants because it's more comfortable that way. Oh! I actually didn't know it was going to come with the rings. I literally have my own, so I was planning to use those. But these are the lobster claws I got. It's low-key a lot, so I'm probably not going to use these all for these. But I wanted to make keychains with some of the beads that I already have, so this is perfect. How cute the packaging is. Okay, so we're trying 2 different ways to see whichever one I like better. This one is just the ring by itself, and then this one has a tiny ring and then the small ring attached. It doesn't even like stand up straight or anything, so I'm worried it's gonna look weird on a keychain. Putting the claws on should be pretty easy. I also wanted to make like a little keychain to go along with it, but also I don't have that many beads either, so I'm just gonna make like a small one. I was also thinking about using these little clay charms that I made. These haven't actually been glazed yet, so I will have to glaze them before I do it, but these are just like a test run, so I'm gonna put them on anyways. Way longer than I would like to admit. I think the longer one just looks a lot cuter. Ooh, that's actually really good. I could even go a little bit sweeter considering how big this cup is, but I think I'm just gonna leave it at that because I'm trying to drink less sweet coffee. So good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a closet clean out today, partially because I have a lot of clothes that I haven't worn in a long time, and then I also bought some clothes during Black Friday. I really didn't buy that much. I've been trying to only buy things that have been on my list for a while when I know there are big sales going on, and not just buying something because it's on sale. Alright, so this is the current situation. I actually have some clothes in the laundry still. I'm just gonna do what I can with what I have. So my plan is to make a yes, maybe, and no pile. Yes is things that I know that I'm gonna wear for sure, and then maybes are things that I'm gonna have to try on a couple times because I change my mind about clothing items very easily. No will be anything that I haven't worn in over a year and I know that I'm probably not gonna wear anytime soon, and those will go on my Depop or I'll donate them or give them to like my friends or family. This is everything that is in my maybe pile, and I'll probably try this on another time. It's too cold to try it on right now, so I don't really feel like it. I literally could not stop thinking about hotteok the entire time I was cleaning, and hotteok is like a sweet Korean pancake. I think like the most basic kind has like brown sugar, cinnamon, and like a variety of nuts in it, but it's really good, and I think it's definitely one of my favorite Korean desserts. So let's go ahead and start making hotteok. I'm in a little bit of a time crunch today, so I'm just going to be making the box kind. Put it together. You don't have to have this, but my mom used to make hotteok all the time, so we have this little hotteok press. Good morning, guys. It is so freaking cold out right now. I'm wearing so many layers and I'm still freezing. It's like 27 degrees and I'm still getting iced coffee. It's yummy. I came to St. Louis today to visit Kevin at work, and so got some coffee with him. So we might meet up with his brother after that. My scarf looks so big. Just got done studying.
I eat vegetables without it.
Every lunch, he has a little cracker.
He's got one party from you like a 15-minute wait.
Yeah.
We just got done eating and I'm so full. I feel like I haven't been able to film much recently because I've been picking up a lot of shifts at work, but I really want to film some like fun Christmas / winter activity things. The only problem is I don't know when I'm gonna have time to do it. So if you guys have any ideas, anything that you guys want to see from me, just let me know. I really want to do like holiday baking stuff. I feel like that's a given, but also I don't think I've gone ice skating outdoors in like years, and that's something that's been on my bucket list for a while, but I've just like never done it. But it's getting pretty late. I'm trying to like fix my sleep schedule right now, so I need to go to sleep soon. I know I've been kind of inconsistent lately, so I'm gonna try and get back to my normal posting schedule soon, hopefully. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I love reading all the nice comments that you guys leave for me. It makes me really happy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.